Today we got iPhone 15 Plus, which is not powering on. After December, we found several cracks on motherboard, so we decided to swap because the data is important for us. So we removed the CPU from the old motherboard. So this is our new motherboard. So we will CNC this motherboard. So this is my CNC milling machine, which will mill the full IC, CPU and basement CPU and Wi-Fi from the motherboard. So we will maintain the build quality also of the motherboard. We will try to give good result to the customer, so that's why we use CNC motherboards. So you can check half process is done. Now the half process of the second motherboard, because this device is having two motherboards. One is for network and second is for CPU and NAND means the storage. And so this is the final result. You can check it out. So we will turn on the device and check the device full functional or not. You can see. Okay, so in settings, about, you can check the device data has been recovered successfully, and other things are also working, Wi-Fi, and the network is also here. Thank you.